So, what's up guys, and this is CJ Disa, and today we're gonna have a new video because we're gonna make US Air Force C-146A Wolfhound or Dornier 328. So before that, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to always updated for my new videos. And let's start it now. So this is the template of the US Air Force C-146 Wolfhound. So this is, I color it blue and bright blue for the color because this is the color for US Air Force Dornier 328 or C-146A Wolfhound. So let's start it now to make.